Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ 100. Friday was a very difficult session. We've continued to fall here. I think it's the fourth week in a row that we've seen losses here for the NASDAQ 100, for the Dow Jones 30 and for the S&P 500. So this is actually the longest losing streak since the financial crisis all the way back in 2008 and 2009. So big question is whether the markets will bounce or not, and that's what we're going to kind of be looking into throughout this video. But just before I do start, just to all let you know that we have recently renewed one of our subscription plans, and that of course is the monthly subscription plan. So if you've been watching my videos for some time and you're perhaps thinking to yourself, I really want to give Max's Signal Group a go, then please do head over to my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I've left a website link in the description of today's video. I've also put this nice video on the homepage where you can basically understand how our signals work, and it basically explains step by step how the process works. So definitely head over to my website, $29.99 a month, and as it's the weekend, you've all got some time to go and check it out. But let's look at the NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 currently trading at 13,800 here. It's been not a pretty end to the week. On Thursday we saw declines as well, and I think we're just continuing to be pressured by this downtrend line that we've struggled to break above on several occasions now. I think we've been rejected by on 3 occasions here for the NASDAQ 100. We're still currently trading within this ABC pattern. If we took out the lows down at 13,078, then that would not be good news for the NASDAQ 100. That could lead to perhaps a move down towards 11,500 as that's where the next extension fib line is, all the way up, down at 1.618. So that area there, as I just mentioned, is around 11,750. That being said, I do not believe we will take out the lows here for the ABC correction. We're still in this uptrend from when we did bottom there. Yes, we have pretty much gone and had a new weekly low here, but typically speaking, we are still creating higher lows, and until we do break below that 13,078 area, we are still looking to go and target that the top of that B leg here for the ABC correction, which is all the way up around 15,200. Am I saying that we're going to get to 15,200 tomorrow? Absolutely not. Partially because it's Sunday, but what I was meant to say, do I think that we are going to achieve 15,200 on Monday? No. Do I think that we're going to achieve it next week? Probably not. It will take time to get back to these levels, but it's all about creating these higher lows, and that's exactly what we are currently doing. So if we did get a nice bounce here on Monday for whatever reason, I don't know, maybe a ceasefire is declared between Russia and Ukraine, that would be very, very bullish for the NASDAQ 100, and then hopefully we could then go and target last week's swing highs. I do like the NASDAQ 100. RSI is down near 40, so we're not quite yet oversold, which indicates that if we could potentially fall a little bit lower. But I think at this moment in time, this area here does offer a fantastic risk-reward ratio. If your timeline for investing is 6 months, 12 months, a year, 2 years, I think at this moment in time you've got a fantastic buying opportunity, especially as there are some fantastic stocks out there, tech stocks that being which funds and hedge funds will no doubt go and reinvest their money into. There's a lot of money sitting on the sidelines at this moment in time, and once these news events do start to change, perhaps become a little bit more positive. I mean, with regards to Russia and Ukraine, and also the Fed hiking interest rates, I think that's when a lot of this money will then start to be allocated in some of the top stocks like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, you name it. And these stocks have a huge share of the NASDAQ 100 index, and it should lead to further gains.